Huawei just dropped this crazy new foldable, the Pura X, and it's seriously different. Imagine a clamshell phone, but when you open it, you can flip it sideways and use it like a super wide phone. It's got a 6.3-inch screen inside and a cool square 3.5-inch screen on the outside next to the cameras. Both screens are super smooth with a 120Hz refresh rate. The outside screen is useful. You can change the wallpapers, use the cameras, check messages, track your health, answer calls, and play music without opening the phone. The cameras are lined up neatly: a 50 megapixel main camera, a 40 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel telephoto. It's got a decent 4720 mAh battery with fast 66-watt wired and 40-watt wireless charging. You can get it in regular colors like black, white, and silver, or go all out with the fancy patterned green or red versions. It starts at around $1,035.